A very good and happy morning, children. You must be familiar with my face, but still let me introduce myself to you. I am Miss Nemi. I teach English in Standard 4 and 5. Today, I am going to do with Standard 5 English language. I am going to teach Chapter 1 from your language book, that is Joyful Learning. The name of the chapter is The Sentence. Now, I am going to write a group of words here. Now just tell me whether this group of words make any sense. No. Now I'm going to rearrange these group of words. Now does this make any sense? Yes. Rose is a beautiful flower. It is a sentence. When a group of words put together make complete sense, it is called a sentence. Simple. Now I am going to deal with kinds of sentences. Children, there are 4 kinds of sentences. I am going to write it here. Please pay attention. The first one is declarative sentence. The second kind is interrogative sentence. The third kind is imperative sentence. And the fourth kind is exclamatory sentence. Now, I am going to deal all these different kinds of sentences separately. I am going to start with declarative sentence. Declarative sentence is also known as assertive sentence. Declarative sentence is a declaration of what you are thinking. You are stating a fact or expressing an opinion. In other words, you are giving an information about someone or something. For example, the food was tasty. Our school is green and clean. Father Amnados is the principal of my school. My father is a doctor. So these sentences are giving information. Keep in mind that a sentence always starts with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop or a period. Period means full stop. It's another name for full stop. Now let's come to the second kind of sentence, that is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is a sentence which asks questions. It makes queries. Where do you live? How is your father? How do you do? Why did the boy hit the poor man? And so on. In these type of sentences, we ask questions. We use question words like how, what, where, did, do, does, has or have. The interrogative sentence starts with a capital letter and it ends with a question mark. Now let's come to the third kind of sentence, that is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a command, a request or an advice. For example, be quiet, shut the door, do not cut trees, do not get wet in the rain. These are all imperative sentence. Imperative sentence starts with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Exclamatory sentence expresses a strong emotion or excitement and it ends with an exclamation mark. For example, what a beautiful scene. How well she sings. I love you. I hate you. You are such a liar. All these are exclamatory sentences because they express strong emotions. Let's recap what we have studied just now. A group of words arranged together in the correct order and makes complete sentence is called a sentence. There are four kinds of sentences. The first one is assertive or declarative sentence. This type of sentence gives you information or tells a fact or gives an opinion. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. The second kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. This type of sentence asks questions. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. The third kind of sentence is imperative sentence. These type of sentences gives commands, makes requests and gives advice. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or an exclamation mark. It depends how forcefully you say a sentence. The fourth kind of sentence is the exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong emotion. This type of sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation mark. So you have to keep in mind a sentence always starts with a capital letter and it has a terminal punctuation. That means it ends with a punctuation mark. It can be a full stop or a period. It can be a question mark. It can be an exclamation mark. It depends on the type of sentence we are saying or writing. Now we come to the two parts of a sentence. That is called the subject and the predicate. A sentence has two parts, the subject and the predicate. The subject is the person or thing that performs the action, and the predicate is the action that the subject performs. Is it clear? Person or thing that performs the action is called a subject. So is it clear? The person or thing that performs the action is called the subject. For example, Ravi did the work. Who did the work? Ravi did the work. So Ravi is subject. Ravi is subject. Is it clear? Now we come to predicate. So is it clear? You can see this. Of the sentence tells us what the subject is or does. For example, we had already discussed this. Ravi did his homework. Ravi did his homework. So, did his homework is predicate. Is it clear? So, a sentence has two parts, the subject and the predicate. The person or thing that performs the action is called a subject, and the rest of the sentence, what the subject is or does, is the predicate. Simple. These two things you have to keep in mind. So here I want to give you an assignment from your book, that is page number 3. We have a revision exercise there. Rearrange these groups of words in the correct order to form proper sentences. Also mention the type from 1 to 10. Please do it in your English language copy. That is page number 3, revision exercise. This is the first assignment, and the second assignment you can do, that is from page number 7. Page number 7. Number A, underline the subject and circle the predicate in the following sentences from number 1 to 5. 1 to 5. This you are going to do in your English language copy. That's all for today. Have a nice time.